Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. So welcome back to our class. So today we're going to discuss MRSM paper for pentaksiran akhir tingkatan 2 semester 2 2020. This is last year question. Okay, so today we're going to discuss only part A. Okay, bahagian A, objective question. Okay. So let's look at the first question. Okay, diagram 1 shows 5 points on a Cartesian plane. Okay, which of the following has the same distance as LP? Okay, so we look over here, LP. Okay, so this is 2 points on a Cartesian plane. So kita tengok dia lurus saja kan. Okay, so senang untuk kita kira. It's easy for us to count the distance. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 unit. Okay, so we need to find other point that also have a 6 unit of distance. Okay, so first kita tengok LM. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bukan. Okay, where is O? Okay ni O to K. Okay, so bukan kan? Kita boleh tengok dengan mata kasar. Okay, so the answer is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 P, K. Okay, or the other way you can calculate by using the formula of distance. So kita ada di sini kan distance, so boleh guna rumus ni lah. Tapi kalau soalan simple macam ni kita boleh congak sahaja. Okay, next look at the next question. The coordinates of the midpoint of straight line joining 2 points K and L. Okay, so given 2 points over here. Okay, the question wants us to find the midpoint. Okay, so midpoint, what is midpoint? Midpoint is di tengah lah. Okay, so if you forget how to calculate midpoint, we actually have kita ada satu rumus di sini. Rumus ini memang mengira midpoint. Okay, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so before that kita kena label dulu. We need to label our coordinates. So this is x1 y1. Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so formula dia tadi, okay, kita ada midpoint is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so what is our x1? x1 is 2, x2 is negative 4. So we have 2 plus negative 4 divided by 2. And then we have 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is negative 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so our answer is negative 1, 2. So C. Okay, simple kan? Okay, next, let's look at the third question. Okay, in diagram 2, triangle PQR. PQR is drawn on a Cartesian plane. The area in unit of triangle PQR is, okay, so triangle, so kita tahu what is the formula for area of triangle. Okay, 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay, so we have this kind of triangle. Okay, so actually you can pusingkan, awak boleh pusingkan segitiga ni kan. Okay, where what I mean is you can take this as our base. You can take this part for the height. Okay, boleh awak bayangkan awak sengitkan lah segitiga tu. Okay, like this. Okay, PQR. Okay, so this is the base, this is the height. Okay, so we have 1 over 2 times, okay, base, how many unit? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this times height. Height is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So kita ada 3 times 4, 12. Okay, so our answer is D, 12 unit. Okay, boleh eh? Okay, next, given the set Q is a function, determine the value of B. Okay, so kalau kita ada set, okay, for kita punya apa, revision, okay, kita sebenarnya boleh lukis dia dalam bentuk bulat macam ni. Okay, domain and codomain. Okay, so this is domain, this is codomain, or object image. Okay, so over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the codomain we have 2, 4, 6, B. Okay, 2, 4, 6, B. Okay, so kita tahu dia map macam ni. Okay, from 1 it will become 2, 2 become 4, 3 become 6, and 4 become B. Okay, so for this function, okay, we can say that, okay, fx is equals to 2x. Betul kan? 1 darab 2 jadi 2, 2 darab 2 jadi 4, 3 darab 2 jadi 6, 4 darab 2 8. Okay, so kita tahu darab 2 kan, darab 2, so x is 2, 4, kita akan dapat 8. Okay, boleh eh? Okay, next, number 5. Given a function y 3x squared minus 2x plus 7. Calculate the value of y when x equals to negative 3. So what you do, you just substitute the value of negative 3 inside the function. Okay, so we have y is equals to 3 negative 3 squared, don't forget the bracket, minus 2 times negative 3 plus 7. Okay, awak boleh je terus tekan calculator. Okay, tapi kalau saya suka congak lah. Okay, so 3, okay, negative 3 square, 3 kuasa 2 berapa? 3 dah, ingat negative, negative, negative square will become positive, so 3 square is 9. Okay, and then negative 2, negative 3, ne po kan, positive. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 7. Okay, so 9 times 3, 27, plus 6 plus 7. Okay, so the answer is 40. Betul eh? Try to press your calculator. We have 27 plus 6 plus 7, 40. Okay, boleh eh? Please remember, if you press your calculator, okay, this part negative 3 pastikan ada kurungan. Okay, pastikan dalam kurungan. Apa-apa yang ada negatif, don't forget the bracket. Okay, parenthesis. If not, your answer will be wrong. Okay, proceed to number 6. Okay, Encik Amir wants to build a rectangular pond with the width p meter and the length 4 p meter. Given A is the area of the pond, then A is 4 p square. Calculate the area of the pond if the length is 6 meter. Okay, so kalau ada soalan macam ni, kalau boleh kita cuba lukis dulu. Okay, try to sketch the problem. Okay, so sini kata wants to build a rectangular pond. Rectangular pond, so kita ada satu kolam berbentuk segi empat tepat, rectangular, with width p, length 4p. So this is p, this is 4p. Okay, given area A of the pond is 4p square. Betul lah, panjang darab lebar 4p times p, p is 4p square. Calculate the area of the pond if the length is 6 meter. So maksud dia dah bagi length is 4p, right? Okay, so 4p is equals to 6. Jangan terbalik Yang P ni adalah width. So dia dah kata length is 6 meter. So this is our length 4p. Okay, so 4p is equals to 6. Okay, so P is 6 over 4 is equals to 1.5. Okay, or 3 over 2, the same thing. So we can substitute the value of P. A is equals to 4 times P square. P is 1.5 square. Okay, so we have 1.5 square times 4. So the answer is 9A. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, saya takut awak terlampau excited nak jawab. Okay, given the length of the pond, so you assume the 6 is P. No, the 6 is for 4P. Okay. Okay, next, number 7. Speed is the ratio of blank over blank. Okay, so speed is actually distance over time. Okay. Okay, nak senang, you remember the sign along the road. Biasanya kita jumpa sign yang macam segitiga ke bulat bulat kot. Okay, 90 kilometer per hour. We have kilometer per hour. So distance, kilometer is for distance, hour is for time. So the answer is C, distance over time. Okay, next, number 8. The speed of a ball rolling on the floor is reduced from 12 centimeter per second to 2 centimeter per second in 4 seconds. What is the acceleration of the ball? Okay, so sekarang soalan nak kita cari acceleration. Okay, so remember acceleration. Okay, is equals to change in velocity divided by time. Okay, or we can say that velocity final minus velocity initial divided by time. Okay, so we have the final velocity. Okay, look over here. The speed of a ball rolling on the floor is reduced from 12 to 2. So this is the final velocity. Sorry, the final speed. Okay, so 2. So we have 2 minus 12 divide by how long does it take? 4 seconds. Okay, divide by 4. Okay, so we have 2 minus 12 divide by 4. So we get negative 2.5. So our answer is C. Okay. Okay. Next, number 9. Okay, diagram 3 shows 2 points, M and N, in a Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have 2 points. Find the gradient of the straight line. Okay, so how to find gradient? Okay, M. Okay, we have the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, before we calculate our distance, we label our point. Okay, so you can label it ikut suka awak. Okay, so for me, okay, I take this is x1, sorry, x2 y2, this is x1 y1. Okay, so we substitute the value of the point into our formula. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 3. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 4. Okay, D. Okay, jangan terbalik ni. Kalau awak terbalik, ini salah. Okay, dia mesti y over x. Okay, next, number 10. Okay, so we have K prime, L prime, M prime, N prime is the image of K, L, M, N under transformation P. So ini object, this is object, this is image. Okay, what is the transformation involved? So we have from here to here. Okay, so actually in transformation you have learned this one lah, translation, reflection, rotation. Okay, dilation tak ada kan? Tak ada. Okay, so what is actually rotation first? Kita tengok rotation. What is rotation? Rotation is something that rotate. Okay, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So dia akan berpusing lah. Okay, kita dapat nampak objek dia akan berpusing. Ini macam kekal je kan, bentuk dia kan, orientation dia sama. Okay, so bukan rotation. Okay, reflection pula. Reflection biasanya kita anggap macam ada cermin. Okay, so for example we have object and then ada something, satu line of reflection, and this is the image. Okay, biasanya reflection dia akan terbalik lah, dia macam dia akan songsang. Okay, but this one the orientation is still the same, so it is actually a translation. Translation dia bergerak, okay, X or Y, dia masih mengekalkan bentuk yang asal. Itu adalah translation. Okay, so the answer is A. Boleh? Next, 11. Okay, which triangles are congruent with triangle P? Congruent ni dia sama lah. Okay, tengok P. Okay, so congruent ni satu apa yang kita kena tahu. Okay, if the question asks you about congruent, okay, what you need to know, okay, actually first, okay, both of the object or image or the things, okay, must be same shape, same size. Shape mesti sama, size mesti sama. Okay, dia tonggang terbalik ke tak kisah, yang penting bentuk dia sama, size dia sama. Okay, so now we look at the first figure number 1 ni. Okay, number 1 kita tengok. Okay, for the base we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Height is 2. So let's look at the first one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Base 5, height 2. Sama, same size, same shape. Okay, so 1 is congruent. Okay, next kita tengok number 2. Okay, number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, betul. Height 1, 2. Betul juga, sama, same shape, same size. And then we look at the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak sama. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4 pun tak sama. Okay, so we know that same yang mematuhi syarat of the same shape and same size. Okay, ni syarat bagi congruence congruent. Okay, so kita tahu 1 and 2. Ingat, if the question asks you congruent, congruency ke apa, yang penting ada congruent. Two important thing, okay, it must be of the same shape and of the same size. Okay, so far so good. Okay, next, number 12. Okay, in diagram 6, T prime is the image of T under translation AB. Okay, translation AB is, okay, so we know that this is our object, this is image. So translation kita image kepada object to image lah. Okay, and we know for A is X, B is Y. Okay, pergerakan pada paksi X, Y pergerakan pada paksi Y. Okay, so kita check dulu. Okay, we pick one point. For example, I pick this point. Okay, so tengok ni, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dari sini dia naik ke atas ni kan, 5. Lepas tu sini 1, 2, 3, 4. So setakat ni kita ada, tengok dulu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sini kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Kita tengok dua nombor tu dulu. 4, 5. Okey, semua 4, 5 lah. Dah betul dah ni. Okey, tapi yang mana satu X, yang mana satu Y? Okey, sekarang kita tengok. Okey, 5. Okey, dia di sini kan. Tengok ni. Dia menegak macam ni. Menegak adalah paksi Y kan. So we know that this is our Y. X dia melintang macam ni. Selari dengan paksi X. So this is our X. Okay, dah settle dah. Okay, now we want to know the sign. Either it negative or positive. Okay, ingat. For X, okay, kalau dia bergerak ke depan, dia akan positif. Kalau dia bergerak ke belakang, dia akan negatif. Kalau Y pula, kalau dia gerak ke atas, dia positif. Kalau dia gerak ke bawah, dia negatif. Okay, sekarang kita tengok ni. Daripada object to image Okay, sekarang object. Tengok ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gerak ke atas kan? Betul tak? Ke atas. So, dia adalah plus. Okay, sekarang dari sini. Dia nak ke image ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit, 4 unit. Tapi dia ke belakang. Kalau dia undur ke belakang, dia adalah negatif. Okay. So, kena ingat, kita ada ni tadi kan translation. The first one is X, the below one is Y. So, X kita adalah negative 4. Y kita adalah plus 5. Okay. So, our answer is negative 4, 5. A. Boleh ingat, ini trick dia. Okay. X kalau dia ke depan, dia bergerak ke macam ni kan. Dari sini kalau dia ke depan ni, dia positif lah. Tapi dia gerak ke belakang. Okay, so kalau ke belakang, negatif. Kalau Y pula ni, ke atas, positif. Kalau dia gerak ke bawah, negatif. Okay. Okay, next, number 13. Okay, on the grid, polygon P is under a reflection in the line VW. So, this is the line VW. Okay, VW. Okay, among the polygon ABCD, which is the image of P? Okay, so nak mudah, okay, to find the object if we have reflection like this, okay, awak pilih mana-mana point. Okay, for example, dia ada dua cara saya tunjuk cara yang pertama dulu. Cara yang pertama, saya suka gerakkan dia ke arah cermin ni. Okay, ini anggap ni cermin lah. Padahal kita panggil ni line of reflection, tapi kita anggap ni cermin. Okay, kaedah yang pertama, okay, saya suka arahkan point, contoh point ni saya suka arahkan dia ke arah cermin ni. Satu unit kan. Okay, so dia akan reflect satu unit juga. Sini. Jumpa di sini. So kita tahu A lah jawapan dia. Okay. Ataupun kaedah kedua. Okay. For example, I choose this point. Okay, ataupun kita pilih point yang sama je. Okay. We choose the same point. Okay. Saya gerakkan dia ke arah garisan. Okay. For example, 1, 2. So reflect dia akan ke bawah lah. 1, 2. Jumpa di sini. Kalau saya nak pilih ni pula, ke bawah ni, for example this point, 1, 2, reflect 1, 2 sini. Boleh tapi kalau saya personally, saya suka pakai kaedah pertama, itulah lebih mudah. Okay, so number 13, our answer is A. Okay, next, number 14. Okay, Q is the image of P under, okay, so Q is the image of P. So P is object, Q is image. Okay, sekarang kita okay, dia di sini. Okay, kita tengok dia punya bentuk ni berubah kan. Bentuk dia berubah, tak sama. Ini jadi macam ni pula. So kita tahu bukan translation. Translation kita tahu dia bergerak kiri kanan atas bawah saja, maintain dia punya shape ni. So translation bukan. Okay, reflection pun bukan. Okay, so sekarang either rotation lah, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Ingat, apa-apa transformation, it must be from object to image. So we have object to image like this. Okay, so kalau arrow dia macam ni, anti-clockwise lah. Okay, so our answer is D. Mana saya tahu ni anti-clockwise? Tengoklah jam kita, our clock, dia bergerak macam ni kan. So this is clockwise. Okay, so kalau lawan macam ni, so this is anti-clockwise. Okay, next, number 15. Diagram 8 shows three isometric transformation. Which isometric transformation arrangement represent the diagram? Okay, so from here to here, dia sama shape kan? Dia macam bergerak je ke depan. So kalau bergerak macam tu, kita tahu itu adalah translation. Translation. Okay, okay, next. Tengok daripada sini, tiba-tiba ada garis ni kan, ada ni, tiba-tiba dia dekat depan. Ni kita tahu ini adalah reflection kan, dia macam cermin. Macam awak tengok cermin lah. Tengok cermin. Okay, so kita tahu itu adalah reflection. Okay, and the last one, daripada sini dia pusing ke sana. So kalau ada pusing tu, itu adalah rotation. So T, so jawapan kita adalah A. 15 is A. Okay, so far so good, yeah? Any question? No question. Okay, number 16. Okay, diagram 9 shows the triangle under an isometric transformation. Determine the value of X. Okay, X kalau dia apa nama? Macam ni kan. Okay, so dia lebih kurang sama lagi. Ini 4, ini 4. Ini 60, so sini pun 60. Sini 51, sini pun 51. So X ni samalah. Okay, dia apa nama angle ni? Opposite angle kan. Okay, dia bertentang, dia bercium. So samalah. Okay, so we know that in a triangle, okay, total of degree berapa? 180 kan. So kita tahu X is equals to 180 minus 51 minus 60. So our answer is 69. Okay. Okay, next, proceed to number 17. A letter is randomly chosen from the word frontliner. Which of the following outcome might be occur? Okay, sekarang tengok S. Okay, sorry, might not occur. Okay, so maksud dia apa outcome yang tak mungkin berlaku. Okay, sekarang kita tengok S. Ada S tak dalam ni? Tak ada kan? So S tak ada dalam frontliner. So sememangnya tak akan berlaku. So itulah jawapan kita A. Kalau T ada T, over here T, N, R, R. So for T and R it might occur, but for S it might not occur because the letter S itself does not exist in the word frontliner. Boleh? Okay, next, number 18. Okay, probability. A set of cards which numbered from 1 to 26 is placed in a bag. If a card is chosen at random, find the probability of obtaining an even number greater than 7. Okay, so greater than 7. So first, okay, kita tahu probability is equals to number of A over number of sample. So we have for sample and S, we have 1 until 25. So 25 cards. So we know the below part is 25. And then for event A, an even number greater than 7. So even number greater than 7. So we have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So berapa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Okay, so our answer is B. Okay, next number 19. 19, diagram 10 shows solid of different shapes. Okay, so kita ada different shapes. One solid is chosen randomly. Find the probability of getting a solid that is not a pyramid. So kita nak not a pyramid. Okay, so kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over total kan, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is D. Okay. And last one, number 20. A bag has X pink marbles, 50 blue marbles, 28 yellow marbles, and 16 green marbles. Okay, banyak ni. A marble is picked at random from the bag. The probability of getting a pink marble is 12 over 59. Find the value of X. Okay, so kita senaraikan dulu. So we have pink X, blue 50, yellow is 28, green is 16. So we have the total of marbles are 50 plus 28 plus 16. So 94 plus X. Okay, itu kita punya sample, number of sample. Okay, so soalan nak kita cari value of X given the probability of pink marbles. Okay, so for pink we have X over 94 plus X is equals to 12 over 59. Okay, so sini kita boleh darab silang lah. Okay, okay, so 59X is equals to 12 times 94 plus X. So we have 59X, 12 times 94, 1128 plus 12X. Okay, so kecil pergi ke besar kan. So sini positif, pindah sebelah jadi negatif. So 59X minus 12X is equals to 1128. 59 minus 12, we have 47X. 1128, so X is equals to 1128 divided by 47. Our answer is 24. So D. Okay, boleh? Okay, so that's it for section A. Okay, 20 objective question. Okay, so I hope if you try all the question. Okay, if you still have any difficulties, just ask the question in the Telegram group. Okay, so far saya tengok soalan ni macam mudah sajalah. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Okay, so next session we're going to discuss part B and then part C. Okay, so before that, please do your revision. Okay, and all the best for your final exam. Okay, see you later. Bye.